I still remember when the original Mazda CX-5 changed the compact sport utility vehicle market back in 2011. It introduced Mazda's Kodo design language and quickly became the company's best-selling vehicle around the world. Now, the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5 is beginning a new chapter, and that journey starts inside Mazda's Ujina Plant in Hiroshima, Japan. This factory is far more than just a place where vehicles are assembled. It represents decades of engineering, craftsmanship, and continuous improvement, combining advanced robotics with skilled technicians to build one of Mazda's most important models. Every new CX-5 begins its life with massive coils of high-strength steel that arrive at the stamping facility. Powerful presses shape each panel with incredible precision, creating the roof, doors, hood, liftgate, and body sides. These machines operate with thousands of tons of force while maintaining extremely tight tolerances, ensuring every panel fits exactly as engineers intended. The accuracy achieved during this stage lays the foundation for everything that follows on the production line. The stamped panels then move into one of the most impressive areas of the Ujina plant, the body shop. Hundreds of robotic arms work together in perfect synchronization, welding thousands of individual joints that transform loose panels into a complete body shell. Advanced laser measuring systems continuously monitor alignment and dimensions, making microscopic corrections whenever necessary. While robots perform most of the heavy welding, engineers carefully oversee the process to ensure every vehicle meets Mazda's demanding structural standards. Once the body is complete, it enters a sophisticated corrosion protection process designed to help the vehicle withstand years of exposure to changing weather conditions. The body is thoroughly cleaned before being submerged in protective chemical coatings that reach even the smallest hidden cavities. Afterward, sealants are applied to vulnerable areas before the body continues to the paint shop, where another level of precision begins. The paint facility is one of the cleanest environments inside the factory. Robotic sprayers apply primer, color, and clear coat with remarkable consistency, creating the smooth finish buyers expect from a premium sport utility vehicle. Each painted body passes through multiple inspections under specialized lighting, where trained technicians carefully search for even the smallest imperfections. Any issue, no matter how minor, is corrected before the vehicle moves forward. Final assembly is where the CX-5 truly comes to life. Skilled workers install wiring harnesses, dashboards, seats, carpeting, glass, and advanced technology systems with exceptional attention to detail. Unlike some manufacturing processes that rely almost entirely on automation, Mazda continues to depend on experienced technicians for many interior operations because human hands are still better at fitting soft materials and inspecting fine details. One of the most fascinating moments on the production line is known as the marriage station. Here, the fully painted body is carefully lowered onto a completed powertrain assembly that includes the engine, transmission, suspension, steering system, and subframes. Within just a few minutes, hundreds of precisely engineered components come together, transforming separate assemblies into a complete automobile. As production nears completion, workers install the wheels, exterior trim, lighting, badges, fluids, and battery before every electronic system is programmed and calibrated. Modern driver assistance technologies, cameras, radar sensors, and infotainment systems all undergo extensive testing to ensure they function exactly as designed. Quality control remains one of Mazda's highest priorities. Every completed CX-5 undergoes computer diagnostics, brake testing, steering alignment, water leak inspections, lighting verification, and electronic system checks before leaving the factory. Selected vehicles are also road tested by experienced inspectors who listen for unusual sounds, evaluate ride quality, and verify that every system performs flawlessly. The Ujina Plant also demonstrates Mazda's commitment to smart manufacturing. Thousands of sensors monitor production in real time, allowing engineers to track every vehicle throughout the assembly process. Digital systems verify torque specifications, monitor robotic accuracy, and identify potential issues before they affect production quality. This combination of advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship allows Mazda to maintain the high standards that customers have come to expect. As the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5 begins rolling off the production line in Hiroshima, it continues a legacy that has made the model Mazda's global bestseller. The blend of cutting-edge automation, experienced technicians, and relentless attention to detail shows that building a modern vehicle is about far more than assembling parts. It is about creating a vehicle that drivers can trust for years to come, and the Ujina plant remains at the heart of that mission.